meteorologist Michael Coates.
All right, welcome back, everybody. Here we are tracking several thunderstorms right now coming through the area. In fact, I'm trying to get my computer to catch up because we have all this warning information I got to make sure that we get to. So let's go over to Viper Radar here as I lapse it for you the past couple of hours. So I have 4 flash flood warnings for eastern Idaho. Pretty much, though, all of eastern Idaho under a flash flood watch, and this is except for the Snake River Plain, the lowlands, but you get into the Upper Valley, Fremont County, all the way down to Bear Lake County, through southern Idaho, Treasure Valley, central Idaho. You can see just this little cutout, not under the flash flood watch, but we do have the warnings. Now we have 4 flash flood warnings to talk about, and more thunderstorms coming in a couple areas that I'm concerned with. First, let's start in the south. All right, so we got a flash flood warning for southern Power County south of Rockland all the way into Oneida County. Then we have a second warning. This is going to go until 8 o'clock. This is for around Malad, Samaria, Marsh Valley, Aramo, Downey, up to McCammon, and Lava Hot Springs. But the storm is leaving that area, and now it's moving into Pocatello, Income, and getting right around the Gap area over the Charlotte-Burn area. So that's my concern right now, because even though the fire was a couple years ago, the potential for mudslides still exists here because there's still not a whole lot of vegetation on that hillside. All right, let's move further to the north. Latest flash flood warning is now for Ashton east into Warm River and into Yellowstone National Park. Also, we do have a flash flood warning for all of Teton County, Idaho. Eastern Madison County, Rexburg is not under this flash flood warning, but it's everything east of Teton and Newdale towards Teton County, Idaho. So we have these warnings, and this is my second concern here. I talked about Pocatello and the Charlotte-Burn area, and now Warm River. This is a very narrow spot here of the river, and this is a pretty intense thunderstorm getting right over Warm River. That water's got to go somewhere, so it's got to come downhill here, and all the creeks and streams. So Robinson Creek, Fish Creek, the Warm River area, the Henry's Fork, it's all going to start to see increased water flows here, and all the roads that come up into the little creeks here back into the foothills and mountains in Fremont County could start to see some localized flooding. We could also see some localized farm field flooding here, and again, this is my concern, Ashton east towards Warm River, and then all along the highways you get into Tetonia. So this is going to be an area of concern. This warning goes until 9 o'clock tonight. Even though the thunderstorm really isn't taking a direct hit to Ashton, the water, it's all going to go downhill. All right, so let's talk about what's happening. We got more of this stuff on the way. This low, it's going to be with us. It's going to be traveling northward, and it's going to be bringing in scattered showers. The potential for flooding will exist here for the next couple of days. By the weekend, things start to lighten up a bit in terms of thunder shower threat, or I should say rain shower threat, with just a few isolated thunderstorms plus warmer temps. So we're going to fall back more into a normal summertime pattern here for the weekend with your run-of-the-mill summertime thunderstorms. So we're going to go from some pretty heavy showers today, tomorrow, and Wednesday to more scattered, regular thunderstorm weather here for Saturday and Sunday. When I say regular weather, again, hot temperatures during the day and a few scattered thunderstorms for Saturday and Sunday. So your weekend's looking good here. You're just getting the typical Idaho summer here for Saturday and Sunday. But for the next couple of days, we're going to be watching the skies very carefully because of the flooding danger. 80 degrees for Wednesday in Pocatello, 80 for Thursday, 81 on Friday, Saturday and Sunday, scattered thunderstorms. Rexburg, a high of 76 here for the next couple of days. We'll be into the lower 80s by Friday, mid 80s by Sunday with scattered thunderstorms. Blackfoot also looking at the mix of scattered showers and thunderstorms. Upper 70s here for the next couple of days, lower 80s for Thursday and Friday, mid 80s into Saturday and Sunday. Jackson also carrying in those scattered thunderstorms with highs into the upper 60s, lower 70s. We'll see the mid 70s on Friday, upper 70s on Saturday. Island Park, we're also looking at more of these scattered showers, fairly cloudy conditions, stormy weather all the way through the rest of the week. Winds do pick up a little bit there as we get towards the weekend. Carol?
Michael. It's no secret the Bannock County Fair Board struggled a bit to prepare for this year's county fair, which kicked off today in Downey after the break of the challenges had an effect on this annual event. And another one